Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have already discussed about Python set concept. So now here in this video, I am going to discuss about Python set methods. In Python, there are different types of set methods. So that are add method, union method, intersection method, difference method, etc. So first, I am going to discuss about add method. Add method in Python. So first create the set. So the add method is used. The add method which is used to add an element to the set. So first create the set. Set is equal. The set is created by inside the flower brackets, inside the curly braces, and that elements are ss, ptsp, python. Okay, first create the set. So using add method, the syntax of the add method is set dot add method. So now here using add method we can add an element. So now here I will add element 4 in the given set. Set dot add of the element. Okay, use the print function. Print of set. Okay, element 4 is added in the given set, and I will add one more element. Set dot add of. Okay, sequence of the character is character is represented inside the single quotation of the double quotation. So now the element is inside the single quotation, capital Python. So this item or this element will be added in the given set. So now here what is the given set? Python ss4 ptsp, that is the given set. Okay, so using the print function, so print of set and capital Python will be added in the given set. And this is the add method. And next method is clear method. So the Python set clear method is used which is used to remove all the elements in the set method. So now here what is the set? This is the set. Now we will create the set. Set is equal to, this is my given set. So using clear method, the syntax of the clear method is set dot clear method. Okay, use the print function. So print of call set variable. Okay, all the elements in the given set deleted, removed. So that is the clear method. Next, copy method. First create the set. Copy method. So first create the set. So this is the creation of the set. So the Python copy method is used to copy the set. Set dot copy method. Okay, use the print function. So print of set. Okay, copy method which is used to copy the set. The next method is difference method. Difference method. So now here I will consider the two sets. Difference between set A and set B. So difference between set A and set B is the difference between set A and set B expression is capital A is the one set and capital B and another set, and A minus B, difference between set A and set B is A minus of A intersection B. So A intersection B means common elements of set A and set B. common elements of set A and set B. So this is the equation of the difference between two sets. Okay, common elements of A and B. Common elements of A and B mean A intersection B. So first find out the A intersection B, and after that subtracting A intersection B from set A. So that is the difference between two sets. So now here I will create the two sets. Set 1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the set 1, first set, and create the second set. Set 2 is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. This is the second set. So using the difference method, diff variable is equal to set 1 dot difference of second set. And this is the syntax of the difference method. Set 1 dot difference of set 2. So use the print function. So print of, call this variable diff, call this variable. So print of diff is equal, okay. So this is the set 1 and this is the set 2 second set, set A, and the common elements of set 1 and set 2 is 3 comma 4 are the common elements, and after that subtracting A intersection B from set A. Subtracting A intersection B from set 1, okay, 3 comma 4 is subtracted. So the remaining elements are 1 comma 2, that is A minus B. This is the difference between set 1 and set 2. So similarly, so diff is equal to set 2 dot difference of set 1. Okay, so now we are the set 2 dot difference of set 1 mean now we are the B minus A. So B minus A is equal to, the expression is B minus of common elements of A and B. Common elements of A and B. So first find out the A intersection B. So A intersection B, set 1 and set 2 common elements are 3 comma 4, and after that subtracting A intersection B from set B, and this is the set B. Subtracting A intersection B from set B, the set 2 dot difference of set 1 is 5 comma 6. Okay, this is the print function. So print of diff is equal to that. Okay, this is the difference method. Next method is discard method. Discard method. So the Python set discard method removes the specified item from the set. Remove the specified item from the set. So first create the set. Set is equal to, inside the curly braces I will create, so DSP comma 1 comma 2 comma SS comma Python comma PTSP. So this is the given set. Okay, in this given set I will remove DSP element using discard method. So the syntax is set dot discard of, okay. So only the number inside the parenthesis I will use. So now I want to remove the this value 1. So set dot discard of 1. Okay, use the print function. So print of, call set variable, element 1 is removed, element 1 or value 1 is removed from the given set. And similarly set dot, I want to remove DSP element in the given set. Okay, inside the single quotation or the double quotation mention that element. Set dot discard of, so inside the parenthesis, so sequence of the character is DSP. So So press the enter button. So use the print function. So print of call that variable. Okay, DSP element or DSP item will be removed from the given set. So that is the discard method. Discard method removes the specified item from the given set. And pop method. Next method is pop method. Pop method. So discard method is used to remove the specified item from the given set, and the pop method is used to remove a random item from the set. Random item from the set. Suppose for example, I will create the set, and this is the given set. Okay. So using the pop method, set dot pop method. So random item, any one item will be removed from the given set. So random item. So one is removed. So print of set and remaining elements will be object. Okay, and again use set dot pop method. Another one element will be removed. Random element 2 is removed. So using the print function, and the remaining elements will be object. And after removing the 1 and 2, what are the remaining elements? DSP, SS, PTSP. And again use set method, set dot pop method, and one more element is removed from the given set. So using the print function, the remaining elements will be observed on the Python console. SS, PTSP, Python. Okay, and again use set dot pop method. One more element will be removed, that is SS element, and again use print of set method. The remaining elements will be observed on the Python console. And similarly, again use set dot pop method. One more element will be removed, random element. Okay, and again we'll use, and remaining one more element will be removed from the given set. So using the print of set method, okay, empty set, there is no elements in the given set, so that is the pop method. And intersection method. Next method is intersection method. In Python, set the intersection method returns a set that contains the similarity between two sets or more than two sets. So first to create the two sets, I will create the set 1. Set 1 is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Set 1. Okay, now okay, at the end of the one element dot is entered, so because of that it displays syntax error, and again create the set 1. And set 2 is equal to 1 comma 4. And what is the intersection method? The Python set intersection method is used to return a set that contains the similarity between two sets. Similarity means common elements of two sets. So using the intersection method, set 1 dot intersection of second set, and this is the syntax of the intersection between two sets. Okay, so what are the common elements of set 1 and set 2? 1 and 4 are the common elements. Okay, so that is the intersection method. And next method is union method. The Python set union method returns a set that contains all items from the original set. All items from the original set. Suppose for example, I will create set A. Set A is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4, and this is the given set A. And I will create another set. Set B is equal to so 3 comma 1 comma 6 comma 7 comma 4. Okay, so using union method, so a dot union of second set, okay, capital B, union of capital B. Okay, so all the elements of the set A and set B. So one element is repeated two times here, 1 and 2. Three element is repeated three times, that can be represented only one time, and four element is repeated two times, that can be represented only one time. And after that, 6, 7. A set that contains all the elements or all the items from the original set. Uh, so that is the union method. And next method is remove method. So remove method means it remove all the elements from the set. First I will create the set. Set is equal to so remove all the elements from the set. The syntax of the remove method is, okay, next method is remove method, and the syntax of the remove method is set dot remove method, okay, which is used to remove the specified element from the set, set. And what element we want to remove, that element can be defined inside the parenthesis. Now here I want to remove the element 2, value 2. So in the given set dot remove of 2 using the print function. So print of set, the remaining values in the set will be observed on the Python console. So these are the remaining elements. And next method is update method. Update method. So first create the set. Set is equal to, this is the given set. Subdate any one element of the given set. And set dot update of, I will add small s and s, small s and s. Okay, so print of set, okay, small ss element, okay, s and s, okay, and small s is repeated two times, that can be, so Python don't allow duplicate values, okay, ss is s is repeated two times, okay, that can be displayed only one time. And okay, update method s and s, and once again uh, set dot update of 3, element 3 is updated. Set dot update of 3, so that is the integer value. Int object is not iterable type error, so only update the only sequence of the characters. So these are the different types of the methods available in Python